Alright. What's up, everybody? It is your boy Blue Fusion back at it again with another video here today. And we are doing another mini-verse, mini brands, make it mini nature series. And today we have lettuce. There we go. Got that picture. Perfect. Love it, love it, love it. Alright. So we're going to start by taking them out of the wrapper. We got 4 there. So it looks pretty simple. We just got to fill, I think, the crate full of dirt and then just pop them all in. Alright, let's try this once more. Before we had to use scissors, but let's try not to use scissors. Use the scissors anyway. It's all good. Look at that. Ooh. I'm not even gonna say it. There you go, pack her in. Pack another layer. Let's do this. Start by doing that. There we go. That works. That way we have an idea of where we can push them in. This one will be a short video because this one is pretty straightforward. But that's okay. There you go. There we go. Awesome. We have the mini cabbages, mini lettuces, cabbage, lettuce, similar, part of the same family. Alright? If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit it that thumbs up. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.